What if I told you that you could launch a real, profitable side hustle today with a grand total startup cost of zero? Seriously, no coding, no giant budget. Today, we are breaking down exactly how to do it with just 3 super powerful and completely free AI tools.
So you want to launch a side hustle, right? But you keep hitting those same old walls. It costs too much money, it's going to take way too much time, or it just feels, super complicated. Well, what if we could just get rid of all those barriers, like right now?
That's right. Your entry fee is exactly $0. Zilch. Nada. With the right free AI tools, that #1 barrier to getting started, the cost of all that software, it's just gone. This isn't a dream. This is the new reality for getting a business off the ground.
All right, let's meet your new team. I want you to think of these tools as your 3 free AI assistants. These guys are the foundational pillars that are going to do all the heavy lifting for your brand new digital business.
Okay, pillar #1. This is your writer, your strategist, your idea generator, basically your creative genius. We're talking about a large language model. You've probably heard of them, things like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. This tool is literally the brain of your entire operation, handling all the words, all the ideas, all that text-based stuff. And let me tell you, this one tool is an absolute powerhouse. You can use it to brainstorm a dozen business ideas in minutes, write all your marketing copy, your emails, your social media posts. Heck, you can even have it structure your research for you. Just as a side hustle on its own, you could literally become a freelance copywriter or a social media manager for a local business, all powered by this one free tool.
All right, on to pillar #2, your designer and layout creator. This is your personal creative director. We're talking about amazing free graphic design platforms like Canva or Adobe Express. And trust me, these tools will make you look like a total pro, even if you, like me, have zero, and I mean zero, design experience.
With this thing, you've got access to thousands of free templates. You can generate totally original images just by typing in some text. You can even whip up simple, eye-catching videos for Instagram Reels or TikTok. A killer side hustle right there? Social media manager. You could create a whole month's worth of visual content for a client in just a few hours.
And finally, pillar #3. Now, this is the one that turns a fun little project into a real, organized, honest-to-goodness business. This is your business tracker, your organizer. And it's something super simple, a free spreadsheet tool like Google Sheets or the online version of Microsoft Excel.
Don't sleep on this one, okay? This is where you actually manage your success. You're going to track your sales, you'll create a content calendar so you're not scrambling last minute, and you'll manage all your client info in one tidy spot. This is the secret weapon to staying organized and actually looking like you know what you're doing.
So, there you have it. You've got your 3 free assistants. Now for the fun part. Let's walk through the actual 5-step launch plan. This is going to take you from a totally blank page to landing your very first paying client, like right now.
Okay, here's the roadmap. It's super straightforward. Step 1, we're going to use our AI writer to nail down a niche service. Step 2, we'll create a killer offering and figure out a price. 3 is super important, building a sample portfolio. 4, we go out and find that first client. And 5, you deliver the goods and track everything. See? Simple and direct. Let's zoom in on step 3 for a second, because this is where people get stuck. Building a portfolio. Here's the secret. You don't need past clients to have a portfolio. You just make stuff up, create samples. You can literally ask your writing tool, that's tool #1, to generate a sample social media caption for a fake coffee shop. Something just like, announcing our new hazelnut cold brew. And this is where the magic happens. Now you take that text, hop over to your design tool, tool #2, pop it into a cool template, and boom, in like 90 seconds, you have a totally professional-looking graphic. You do that just a few more times for different imaginary clients, and bam, you've got a portfolio that proves you can actually do the work. Let's put it all together in a real-world example. Let's say you want to become a content creator for a super specific micro niche, like artisanal dog biscuit bakers, okay? The LLM generates the niche idea for you, and then it writes all the script for your videos. Then your design tool creates all the cool visuals and graphics. Your spreadsheet keeps the whole content schedule organized. And then, the only thing left for you, the human, is to sell the service. The entire production line is basically automated, and it costs you nothing. Okay, so you have the tools, you have the plan, you're ready to go. But before you jump in, let's cover a couple of pro tips. This is the stuff that'll help you work smarter, not harder, and avoid some really common rookie mistakes.
Listen up, because this is maybe the most important thing I'm going to say today.
AI is a drafting tool. It's not the final solution. Think of it like this. It gets you 85% of the way there. Your job, the valuable part, is that final 15%. Your human touch, your creativity, your fact-checking, that is what makes the service valuable. That's what people are actually paying you for.
And let's just bust a couple of quick myths right now. First, no, the AI will not do everything for you. It's your assistant, not your replacement. And second, no, you absolutely do not need to buy the expensive, paid versions to get started. The free versions are ridiculously powerful. My advice? Start simple, deliver amazing work, and only upgrade when your side hustle's profits are actually paying for it.
All right, the tools are here. The plan is crystal clear. Let's do one final quick recap of your zero-cost business toolkit. Because seriously, your side hustle can literally start the second this is over.
So it all boils down to just these three things. Number 1, a large language model to be your writer and idea generator. Number 2, a free graphic design tool to be your visual content studio. And number 3, a free spreadsheet tool to act as your business and client organizer. That's it. That's the whole shebang.
So look, everything you need is out there, it's totally free, and you now have the step-by-step roadmap. The only things that were ever holding you back were cost and complexity, right? Well, we just took care of that. Your zero-cost business plan is ready to roll. So the only question left is, what are you going to build first?